So, Mankarunga 2008. Mankarunga 2008. This is how I do my stomach growling videos. Alright. How I do this video. Alright, we need. See if I could get. Oh, Flippy. Alright, Flippy. 2 seconds long. 2 seconds long. Now I zoom in. And then I need an effect. The effect is wave warp, of course. See, is it? Hold on, let me make it a little fast. I kind of make them a little fast. Fast, let me see. Yeah, I make them a little fast. Now, I use audio. Let me see if I can try to trim it. Make it louder. Now, I put more of these. More. I'm not gonna put too much. I don't need the whole audio, alright? And that's how I do it. Well, hold on. Oh wait, no. Maybe put this a little back. Yeah, that's a mistake. Yeah, that was a mistake. Alright, there. There, now I did it. Alright, Mankarunga 2008. I want a tutorial. See, how do you do them? How do you do yours? This is how I do mine. I want to see how you do yours. I want a tutorial, please.